I came here to the Charles University summer program
for experience and to test the waters really of university life in Prague.
I wanted to take a look at the faculties of Charles University before I began my studies here.
We did the practical side and we did some studying, but it was also fun. It was very interactive. We did Kahoots and it was competitive and there was prizes.
And I really liked the courses and the lectures here.
We explored all of the faculties at Charles University.
Thanks to this, I was able to discover the Faculty of Humanities, which I didn't know about before.
In the Faculty of Medicine, they have these new mannequins that they will describe symptoms to you and you have to do a quick diagnosis.
Another thing that I liked about the Charles summer school here was the leisure side of the program, such as like around Prague and kind of seeing the popular sites, and also visiting different towns and cities in the Czech Republic and around in different countries such as Dresden.
I think it was the best experience that I could have from a summer program.
And overall, we had a lot of good times too, bonding. I got very close with the other girls and we were all from different parts of the world.
I've thoroughly enjoyed these 2 weeks. I've made lifelong friends and many memories.
And so we had fun doing cooking lessons, we had fun just spending time together in the dorms and walking around Prague.
I enjoyed most particularly the hike and the planetarium.
I was with peers that had similar interests. I met a lot of people that were very interested in my same field.
Charles Summer Program is one of the best choices I could make. I recommend this program 100% because I think that it's really one of the highlights that I will never ever forget.
I would absolutely recommend for anyone who wants to appreciate Czech culture and study at a quality university.
It's really one of the top things I've ever done in my life.
And I really hope that you pursue this opportunity as well.